Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Nutritionists love to beat the meal planning drum. I would know, I'm one of them. And while it is true that planning your meals in advance can help you eat healthier in the real world, pre-planning your family's food isn't always realistic. If you'd like to eat well, simply stocking a healthy pantry can be a big step in the right direction. Want to make your kitchen a one-stop shop of mealtime building blocks? Look to these 7 good-for-you pantry, fridge, and freezer essentials. Number 1. Canned chickpeas. If you have a can of chickpeas, you have the makings of all sorts of dinners. Drain the can and pop the little legumes into soups or stews for extra protein and fiber. Or mash them with lemon juice, fresh dill, and diced celery as the filling for a wrap. Then, of course, there's the world of chickpea cakes, chickpea tacos, and chickpea salads to choose from. Despite their humble appearance, chickpeas are a veritable powerhouse of nutrition. 1 cup trusted source of the cooked beans contains 12.5 grams of fiber, 14.5 grams of protein, and just 4 grams of fat. They're also quite high in manganese, which supports bone health, and folate, a B vitamin that helps create new cells and form DNA. Number 2. Chicken breast. Keep boneless, skinless chicken breasts on hand as a protein to build dinner around. Simply add a whole grain, like rice, quinoa, or pasta, and a vegetable, broccoli, green beans, or carrots, perhaps. And dinner is well on its way. For a flavor boost, sprinkle pantry staple herbs and spices like dried basil, rosemary, oregano, or garlic powder on your chicken before cooking. The high-quality complete protein in this poultry choice can support your immune system, help you build muscle, and promote wound healing. Number 3. Smoked salmon. Fresh salmon fillets get plenty of homage for their versatility and healthy fats, but smoked salmon is an even easier route to healthy meals. Because it's already cooked, it arrives ready for insertion into wraps, salads, and pastas. Smoked salmon pairs especially well with the flavors of lemon, dill, smoky paprika, or cream cheese. Just like fresh salmon, smoked salmon contains plenty of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their benefits for heart and brain health. It's also got vitamins A and E, antioxidants that work to combat inflammation. Just beware its high sodium content of 600 to 1,200 milligrams per 100 gram serving. Number 4. Extra firm tofu. If you're still on the fence about tofu, it's possible you just haven't tried it prepared well. Pressing the liquid out of extra firm tofu gets it ready for delightfully crispy pan frying, making it the perfect protein for stir-fries, curries, and Asian noodle dishes. Its neutral flavor allows it to take on the essence of whatever sauce or seasoning you apply. Don't fear the foo. Though still dogged by myths that it'll alter your hormones, research trusted source shows that tofu is actually potentially beneficial for preventing hormone-related cancers like breast cancer. Meanwhile, it's got plenty of plant-based protein and over 50% of the daily value of calcium. Number 5. Red lentils. In terms of cooking time, red lentils are fairly middle of the road, with typical simmering times around 20 to 25 minutes. And though you could choose any of several lentil colors, the red variety has an earthy flavor that's mild and slightly sweet, just right for dal, an Indian stew featuring tomatoes, onions, and spices. As a member of the pulse family, lentils have health benefits galore. Their mix of fiber and antioxidants make them a friend to heart health, and they're surprisingly high in protein at 46 grams per cup. Number 6. Whole wheat spaghetti. For a last-minute dinner fix, there's nothing like a box of pasta. And if you make it a box of whole wheat spaghetti, you'll get sturdy, thin noodles that go with just about everything. Use whole wheat spaghetti as the base of a Mediterranean-inspired pasta featuring sun-dried tomatoes, artichokes, and olives. Or let it soak up a jarred or homemade pesto, plus cannellini beans and fresh arugula. Whole wheat spaghetti has a sizable dose of fiber, which helps regulate digestion, may promote healthy weight maintenance, and can help reduce cholesterol. Number 7. Quinoa. When you need a grain in a casserole, stir-fry, or grain salad, try fluffy, nutty quinoa. It makes a nice change from the usual rice. Simply boil quinoa in a 1:2 ratio with water or broth, then simmer about 20 minutes or until tender. Take your pick of quinoa's numerous health benefits. Its fiber helps keep you full, can promote weight loss, and promotes healthy bowel movements. Then there's its substantial protein content, its anti-inflammatory flavonoids, and its high levels of magnesium, manganese, copper, and other micronutrients. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.